Hey there, beloved. So I'm walking my mama's dog, who is now an orphan, until of course we take him home back to Colorado. Here's our little angel.
We're gonna take the dog
And
back to Colorado.
do you want to?
We're gonna take the dog back to Colorado.
Yeah.
We're gonna take him back to Colorado.
Hi.
This makes me so happy.
Are you so happy? So it's such an epic, beyond intense experience to release the experience of the womb and the embodiment of your mother. And I'm in the midst of it, and there's, my father was a gambling addict, and there's like epic implications for what is to unfold for my whole family, including me, as far as our, come on, Angel, come on, I know. As far as our financial responsibility for the debt. And my mother's home is about to be liquidated, and my brother's home is also part of the estate that's going to be liquidated, and all of his vehicles. And oh my God, my brother's the most precious person. And he's about to be without anything. And I don't know how to even go about this, but I want to save my family. I want to support my family. And I want to create like this whole other like experience where, we can help them. And otherwise it's on me. I welcome your support. I welcome your ideas about how we can help my brother and my sister and the estate of my mother, who, my mother lived with a gambling addict all these years. It's such an intense time, beloveds. And there's so much beauty and joy and magic in the midst of all of this. And I'm gonna put a link below to an address where, if you are inspired from your heart to assist my precious family, you can send your support. And I'm also trying to figure out a way to create a PayPal account that doesn't mean that I have to pay taxes on all of that, because it's gifts for my family. So as this all unfolds, I'll let you know. And in the meantime, I deeply and completely appreciate and honor and bless your support of my precious little family, as I am now the matriarch. Oh my freaking God. Wasn't prepared for this. I still feel like I'm a little young, and like, how can this be happening? How can this be happening? But it is. So we're gonna deal and take on a new big humongous dog and a whole bunch of debts additionally and a whole bunch of new life seeds. And this is your opportunity to support me and my precious family. Yes, thank you so much, beloved.